circles around me, huh?
I thought I could send this to Steve.
Huh?
I thought I'd send this to Steve. What?
You see the one I had before?
Yeah.
I gave her a push, she's up in the air.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to bring some, after we get out, would you put some grain in that bucket and follow us down?
Sure.
Because we got some escapees. Okay. Let's go. Come on.
You got the good one.